Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to convert 640 mm Hg to ATM? Correct answer is to convert 640 mm Hg to ATM, we can use the conversion factor that 1 ATM is equal to 760 mm Hg by setting up the conversion ratio as follows: 640 mm Hg 1 ATM by 760 mm Hg equals 0.84 to 1 ATM. Therefore, 640 mm Hg is equivalent to 0.84 to 1 ATM. This conversion is essential in gas pressure calculations and is based on the relationship between mmHg and ATM units. Remember to always verify and use correct conversion factors to ensure accurate results in scientific computations.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.